morning. So today I'm very excited and very happy because I have been wanting to film this video for the longest time. It's just like festive, a lookbook sort of a video for my Instagram. I'll leave it here, like my Instagram handle, so you can go and check it out. But I'm very excited for this video. So yeah, I was just like steaming all the clothes that I need for the shoot, and I'm right now going to do my makeup. So yeah, I'm probably going to do like a smoky eye and like a nude lip, but I'm very excited. My videographer, actually he was supposed to be here by now, but he said that he'd be late. Oh my god, the outfits that I have like put together, they're just like so nice, and I'm just so excited for you guys to like see this video. I got my MAC foundation. He said that I'm in the shade NC30. I'm not sure. I'll be using it for the first time today, and I have been using the concealer though. Oh my god, the concealer is amazing. Like, it's so good. Like, oh my god, like I love it. I've been using it every single day. I just like to conceal my under eyes, and that's about it. So I've been doing that, and the concealer is really nice. So if you want I'm pretty sure you must be already having MAC products, but if you don't, then I would highly recommend check out that concealers. I also got a free lipstick because I shopped quite a bit. I was just steaming this, so this is one of the looks. It's a very nice, like a ruffled sari. So this is one. I've also got some gajra, and oh my god, my roses are just like all over the place. But yeah, I also got some roses for the shoot. Let's see, I don't know how I'm going to use them, but just for a prop. And these are just couple of like dupatta options that I have. How's the Josh? Guys, we are like on our second look, and this is what I'm wearing right now. I really like how my makeup turned out. It's really nice, and oh my god, it's so hot. All like both of us are just dying. We just put on the fan, and like it's the highest speed right now because oh my god, it's just too hot. So yeah, this is what my outfit looks like. Really like how, okay, you can't see anything. Very bad. This is what my outfit looks like. It's really nice. It's like a ruffle sari, and yeah, I'm just wearing these earrings, and that's the look. All right, buddy. Guys, look who I met. Samiksha. It's her birthday, not today. So we are planning her birthday. And this is, who are you? Huh? Introduce yourself. Chotu.
This is a paid collab which I'm doing with Coffee Right.
Okay. That's Aditya. Aditya Thakre. What a name. What a name. And that is?
These are my profiles.
Barbar, chupasa. Yeah. Coffee?
Coffee.
Ma'am, coffee, ma'am. Ma'am, This is my okay, thank you. तुम भी चाय पियो, कॉफी पियो. Hi guys, I got a curling wand. Like, this is a tong actually. I've been wanting to get it for a really long time and I finally got it. So today I'm just testing it out. I honestly don't have anywhere to go or anything to do. I have never really curled my hair. The last time I think I curled my hair was for my 10th ka farewell. Like, otherwise I just like straighten my front pieces. Like, this is like literally like my naturally washed hair. Like, I haven't put any product in. This is literally what my hair looks like without anything. So I never really had to do a lot of things. I would just like, if at all I'm feeling a little fancy, I would just like straighten my front pieces and that's it. But yeah, right now I just feel like testing this out, so I'm gonna do that and I'll let you know what I think. This is by Iconic, by the way, Iconic Professionals. So yeah, that's what they use in like most salons. So yeah, let's go. Also, I like painted my nails for Diwali. I honestly did not do anything for Diwali apart from this and getting a lot of things from Nykaa because there was like a huge sale. Yeah, that's all that I did for Diwali. My Diwali like just went by within a blink of an eye. Like, I did not even realize that it was Diwali. I just like dressed up this one day. I wore my nani's sari and that's it. That's all that I did for Diwali, but that's okay. Now I'm just going to like quickly prep my hair and try styling them because I really have never tried this. So stupid. So I'm really but I am stupid. I was just touching this. I thought that this is not heating up. I thought I got like a default like faulty piece or something like that, and I kept touching it and then I realized that it's actually heating up. Otherwise my hand would have gone. But yeah, of like curls, but they look really nice when you tend to do like some hairstyle or something like that. So yeah, I really like how they look, honestly, like right now. And also it just hit me that the first time I got my hair curled was in 10th standard, but like I personally went to a parlor and did it for my farewell. But yeah, every single time I've gotten my hair colored, they do tend to, you know, curl your hair because the color looks really nice. But yeah, this is the first time that I personally am doing it. I did not own a curler iske pehle, so pretty good. I think it looks really nice. However, I think I did run my fingers through it a little too much. So yeah, but I really like how it looks. What do you think? Let me know. I think it looks really nice. Guys, I just got ready. I did like this really nice makeup. It's not too so much. I also did my hair. I'm thinking of filming this last two looks that I have for Diwali. I did not have the time before Diwali, so I'm thinking I'll just film right now and then I'll, you know, just upload it on my reels. If you aren't following me on Instagram, go do that. I really like how this has turned out. I plan on just wearing the earrings and then I'll be good. How I wish I had like gajra or like roses to wear, but I don't. So I'm just thinking I have these flowers. Okay, it looks really ugly. I can't show you, but I'm thinking that I'll probably put those in my hair. I think this should look really nice. I don't know if you can see, but I'll still show you. Yeah, that's what it looks like. I think it looks nice. Doesn't look as bad. I'll show you the sari. It's so pretty. Oh my god, wait, I'll just like get it here. Okay, I just got ready and it took us a lot of time to like wear this sari because my mom was just not understanding, but finally we figured it out and this is what it looks like. I think the sari is beautiful. It's gorgeous. Like, look at it. It's so nice and it came with this really nice blouse. So yeah, I really like it. And yeah, all I can say is it's made up of cotton, so it, you know, snugs my body really well. And how I wish I did receive this on Bhaubis, but I did not wear it. But how I wish, you know, I would have actually worn this on Bhaubis. That would have been crazy. But I love the sari. It's so beautiful. The color is so vibrant. I just wanted to show you my look, so I'm just wearing these earrings. I think these earrings look really nice with any sort of like Indian outfit. Just actually got done filming my reel, so I'm done with one. I have to do another one, and yeah, I actually have a lot of things to do. Like I'm just like all over the place. I'm really trying to get my life together, but yeah, I'm really happy with what I've done so far.